Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Fonetool. So first you just have to go to any web browser, type Fonetool, okay, and then you have to click the very first link that you can see here, tap this one, and then what you're going to do next is you have to click this free download right here. You will be notified that it is now starting to download, and then you have to go to your download folder, tap this one. And what you're going to do next is to run this Fonetool as administrator. Once done, you can go to start menu and then type Fonetool, click run as administrator again, and then open this tool. Now it's so easy because once you have plugged in or connect your iPhone, you will see your device information right here. On the left side, you can see here My Cloud, so you can sign in your iCloud ID and then transfer files from your phone. But to make it easier, all you have to do is to connect your iPhone to your device, and then it will be automatically connected to Fonetool. You can do backup, you can do phone transfer, you can do phone backup, and also WhatsApp backup. So for phone backup, you can just simply select that file that you want, or you can select all and then backup. Phone transfer, you can select this mode right here, iPhone to PC, PC to PC, iPhone to iPhone, and then get started. Select that file that you want to transfer, or if you want, you can select all files to transfer. For example, PC to iPhone, import that file from your PC and then transfer it to your iPhone. So all you have to do is to import that file. iPhone to iPhone, you have to make sure the two iPhones are connected to your PC, and then you can transfer everything here. All files or selected files. Same thing with your WhatsApp. You can just click this and then it will allocate your WhatsApp files and select that specific file that you want to transfer or want to create backup and proceed. And that's it. So if you want us to create or make another tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next videos.